A cash flow diagram is a graph that summarizes the timing and magnitude of cash flows as they are occur over time. So because we need to show some amounts, something income or outgoing amounts over time, first we need this direction for time or time periods, and also we need this direction for amounts. Cash flow analysis is the process of tracking and evaluating the movement of cash in and out of a project or business over time. It helps assess a project's financial health by analyzing inflow, including revenue or saving, and outflows, including expenses and costs. This analysis is crucial in determining whether a project is financially viable, managing liquidity, and making informed investment decisions at times or at the end of periods. So when we define some periods like this, inflows or outflows occurs at this point or this point, and we have nothing between them, or here or here. This is discrete model. Continuous model, something like continuous compound model we defined in previous session. When we have very small periods of time and unlimited number of periods. Usually we use this model because it's easier for calculation.
It means we are going to calculate effective interest for each year, and after that we are going to put it in the formula.
No.
So I have also a question. Do you hear me?
Sure.
Yes. Why did you use effective annual interest? Because the question talks about nominal interest rate and you used effective annual interest rate in your...
We are using 8% annually in case the compounding is annually. But when the compounding is semi-annually, we need to calculate and convert it to effective interest for each year. Okay? So if we had annually, not semi-annually, we didn't need any calculation for effective interest. But because the compounding is semi-annually, we have to calculate effective interest for each year.
So in the exam, if we go in solution 1, it's wrong or
no? No. As long as the idea behind the solution is correct, it's okay to use the solution.
So for the first solution, the interest is like IS. We put as a interest in M, the number of the duration.
Yeah.
Okay.
In this case, interest is 4% and the number of periods is 30. Investment with 8% and 15 years to calculate this value. And then I used present value to calculate present value at the beginning when the future value is this. And you see, I get the exact value of present value here. Here you can use formulas in Excel for future value and present value. Also, you can use it for calculation of annuities.
Actually, my question is about when I want to solve this question with the way that not repeating the service slide, the other one. I don't know, this period study, specific period study, that one.
Shorter period.
Shorter period, yes. Then we should consider one salvage value at year 10 for the B. Yes. Then we have two options for calculating salvage value. Actually, now my question is that when we want to calculate something for salvage value, we use 12,000, which is down payment for the initial value or cost of the project. Then we use this to calculate salvage value at year 10 actually. Can I explain clearly or not? Should I explain more?
Yeah, I got it.
Yes.
Why the calculation of salvage value is related to down payment?
Yes, because salvage value is the value of the equipment or I don't know, the project based on the initial value of it, the total value of the project or the equipment. I don't know what is this question about. But we use down payment for calculating salvage value at year 10.
What was your assumption for relating the down payment and salvage value together? Why?
My assumption?
Yeah.
As far as I know, down payment is part of the price, not when for example you want to buy something, buy a car for example, you can.
That is, but
that means the slope is not the same. There is a two different slope.
And anyway, if the slope for both cases are the same, anyway, it's not correct. Don't rely on this.
Okay.
Is this the result is 11,833.3 for this case? Is it correct?
You're talking about what?
Yes, I'm talking about the result.
Final result?
Final result. A 11,000 minus 11 minus 12,000. So we have a negative, so we're adding at the end. So final result is 11,833. Is it correct? Did anyone calculated that?
Salvage value for the second one?
Yes.
It shouldn't be difficult. At the beginning, we have 12,000.
You said we have...
Let's ignore thousands. 12 minus A minus B. 12 minus 7.5 divided by 12, then multiplied by 10. It is 8.25.
Okay, so perhaps I assumed the wrong A and B. So you assumed A 11,000?
12, because we're talking about B.
Okay, so I'm just made a mistake. So A is the one that we are talking, which is the B, 12,000.
12,000. And at the end, 7,500. 12 minus 7.5 divided by 2 multiplied by 10, subtracted.
So the final result is how much?
8.25.
When you subtract, 12,000 minus 11,000, you have...
No, minus 7,500.
But
Okay.
I think we had a question that talked about a worker and
we have something
its
like
salary.
this.
Yeah, we had something.
Yeah, we had something very similar. It was about operation cost, as I remember, and the new option was automation, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
similar to this.
Yeah, that's very similar. So, due to the relative complexity of the task, full automation, that's it. Full automation is not being considered. However, it's possible to replace one of the two labor workers with a collaborative robot that can work safely along with the other worker. The plant has a MAR of 7%. Table summarizes the cost for one labor worker and the cost for one collaborative robot. Use the information in the table to answer the following questions. Labor worker, just one. Okay. Purchase price for the robot is 135K. Installation is this. And finally, cost of robot reprogramming and maintenance is 12,000. For the worker, salary per year is 40 and benefit for labor is 3,000. Okay, so for comparison, you have two options. The first one is two labors, right?
Labor worker, yes. To find present word.
Okay. 5 years. So 5 years. Option one. Okay. We have annually 86.